all in one. Let us introduce you to our solar panel cleaning solution, a game-changer solar panel cleaner. Stereo's Cleaning Brush. Stereo's machinery offers innovative solar panel cleaning solutions for a sustainable future. Stereo's SCB44, genius model of cleaning brush family, developed by our talented R&D experts. This unit is designed to fulfill your needs in cleaning all styles of solar and photovoltaic facilities with its high efficiency. Stereo's SCB44, outstanding features as its environmentally friendly, chemical-free, fully modular design, advanced technology system, and minimum water consumption. Up to 5 times faster cleaning compared to other cleaning methods, maximizing the performance of the solar power plant by maintaining the highest energy output and preventing damage from permanent pollution, positions it as the future of solar farm cleaning. Maximum performance. For the highest production efficiency and extended life, solar panels must be properly cleaned. Stereo's SCB44 helps you reduce energy losses up to 70% by cleaning permanent impurities such as dust, flower pollen, algae, bird droppings, ammonia gases, or heavy pollution, and keeps the performance of solar panels maximized. Stereo's SCB44, with innovative solar panel cleaning technologies, provides up to 9 megawatts of cleaning capacity per day. Stereo's SCB44 has an innovative brush design that applies only 15 kilograms of pressure on the panel. The brush system is suspended via a freely rotating suspension point. This state-of-the-art brush can rotate 180 degrees left or right and can be adjusted according to the height and inclination of the solar panels. In this way, it washes both the right and left side panels and ensures easy cleaning of the edges. Perfectly adaptable to all kinds of solar and photovoltaic installations of different sizes. Stereo's SCB44 provides an easy, fast, and economical cleaning 24/7 with its high mechanical performance. Since the surface load of the brush is well below the permissible wind and snow loads, there is no pressure on the operator at any time of the day. Its durable structure and ease of use do not stress the operator, and high-quality cleaning will be provided from sunrise to sunset. The solar panel cleaning system is remotely controlled from inside the tractor cab, allowing the operator to achieve optimum cleaning results without any physical effort. Having a high level of automation and data analysis, Stereo's SCB44 with Genius Level provides safe and easy use with joystick control. It can be used effortlessly even by a single person. The driving force behind this unique technology belongs to Groma, which provides technology solutions to the solar panel cleaning industry. Stereo's SCB44 has an original, functional, and technological design consisting of 4 main parts. The innovative brush, which is made specifically for this application, along with the drive motor and hydraulic system, all comes together in harmony on the hydraulic boom. In addition, the boom can be easily and safely folded to the side of the tractor for transportation. Stereo's SCB44 works perfectly in all-terrain conditions and dampens the vibration created by ground irregularities on the driving path, and helps to prevent the panels from being damaged. The nitrogen accumulator float system provides constant and controlled pressure between the brush and the panels, regardless of the terrain conditions. Our stabilization system, supported with technology by Groma, has the most advanced technology in the solar panel cleaning industry, enabling solar panel cleaning even on transverse slopes with its modular design and easy-to-use feature thanks to its lightweight components. Solar and voltaic plants become susceptible to failures as they become polluted. Stereo's SCB44 can also clean solar panels under high heat intensity. In order to achieve maximum cleaning results with low water consumption, Water lines are placed as standard throughout the machine. Thanks to this unique feature in our machine, which is designed as a sustainable, nature-friendly, and economical solution with its available low water consumption and ability to work with all kinds of water purification systems, you can clean solar panels wet or dry and save up to 10 tons of water per megawatt. Equipped with today's high-tech equipment, Stereo's SCB44 offers sustainable and environmentally friendly solutions by saving energy, as well as saving money and time for power plant operators. With its unique designs and the newest technologies, Stereo's provides a high-efficient, safe, and sustainable solar panel cleaning ecosystem. As a result of our research and development program created by our engineers, we shape the future of solar farm cleaning with state-of-the-art solar cleaning systems. We collaborate directly with our customers to build a renewable future for all of us.